Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to pay bill on MyChart app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your MyChart app, and once you do that, what you need to do is head over to your notifications section and then open up your outstanding balance notification. Now once you open it, you'll be seeing something like this. Now in order to pay your bill, all you gotta do is simply click on or tap on make a payment option. Then once you do that, you will be redirected to your payment page. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on pay now, and once you tap on pay now, your payment method or your previous payment method will automatically be seen here, which means you have already registered it. Now all you gotta do in order to pay is just simply click on this pay option on the bottom of the use a different payment method, and once you tap on it, that's basically how to pay bill on MyChart app. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching.